Hey guys, it's me Kyle.
And it's me, Matt.
And this is Robo T-Birds!
Week 3.
Hey guys, welcome back to our weekly vlog series. We document everything we do here at the Robo T-Birds. This week is build season week 3, and we've started construction on our frame, finally. So, this week we also got a brand new saw, which allows us to cut metal a lot faster, which is why we were able to complete the frame in under a week. Towards the end, we did run into some difficulties where we realized that we're basically drilling in the wrong spots, but those issues were quickly corrected, and also we ran out of screws towards the end, so the frame isn't fully stable yet, but nonetheless the frame, or at least the base of the frame, has been 100% completed, and hopefully next week we will be able to get the rest of the robot finished, such as the electronics. Anyway, that's about it for this week. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed, punch that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in next week's vlog.
Go. Oh my god! Oh! It worked!